Ever wondered what it takes to become a real estate mogul? Fredrik Eklund, star of the hit show Million Dollar Listing New York and author of The Sell, has unlocked the secrets to real estate success. This Swedish-born dynamo has made waves in the cutthroat world of New York real estate, selling properties worth billions of dollars. His charisma and unique selling style have not only made him a household name, but also a sought-after authority in the real estate industry. Eklund's success isn't just limited to the glitzy world of television. His book, The Sell, has become a bestseller, offering invaluable insights and tips on how to succeed in real estate. From the importance of personal branding to the power of social media, Eklund's book is a treasure trove of knowledge for anyone eager to make their mark in real estate. So, what can we learn from Eklund's remarkable journey in real estate? First off, Eklund emphasizes the importance of dressing for success. Now, you might be wondering, what does my outfit have to do with selling real estate? Well, folks, quite a lot, actually. Eklund firmly believes in the power of first impressions. The way you present yourself can greatly influence potential buyers. Imagine walking into a high-stakes meeting, the room is filled with potential buyers, and there you are, looking sharp and exuding confidence. Your outfit speaks volumes before you even utter a word. It tells your clients that you're serious, professional, and ready to get down to business. Eklund points out that dressing well isn't about sporting the most expensive labels or following the latest trends. It's about looking polished, feeling comfortable in your skin, and radiating positivity. When you dress for success, you're setting the stage for a successful transaction. Remember, as Eklund puts it, your first impression is your last impression. Eklund's second key takeaway is the value of authenticity. Now, this is a principle that transcends the realm of real estate and applies to life in general. But in the world of property sales, it's absolutely essential. Eklund firmly believes in the power of being genuine. He emphasizes that authenticity isn't about being perfect, but about being real. It's about showing up, day in and day out, as the truest version of yourself. And why does this matter? Well, people can sense authenticity. They can feel when you're being honest, and they respond to it. This authenticity fosters trust. And in a business where trust is paramount, being genuine can often be the difference between a sale and a lost opportunity. It's not just about selling a property, it's about selling yourself, your integrity, your passion. So let's take a page out of Eklund's book and strive for authenticity in all we do. Because, as Eklund states, authenticity sells. The third takeaway we can glean from Eklund's success is the importance of knowing your product. This might seem obvious, but in the world of real estate, it's about much more than just knowing the number of bedrooms or the square footage of a property. Eklund prides himself on becoming an expert on every single detail of the properties he sells. He familiarizes himself with the architectural style, the history, the neighborhood, and even the potential future of the area. He knows the lifestyle that each property can offer, and he uses this information to paint a vivid picture for potential buyers. This deep understanding doesn't just help him sell properties, it also boosts his confidence. When you know your product inside and out, you can speak about it with assurance, answer every question, and handle any objections that come your way. This level of expertise sets you apart and builds trust with your clients. In the words of Eklund, knowledge is power. Eklund's fourth key takeaway: harness the power of social media. Now, we're not just talking about occasional posts on Facebook or Twitter. No. Eklund leverages the full potential of social media platforms to market properties and reach a wider audience. He understands that in the age of digital connectivity, a picture-perfect snapshot of a property on Instagram or a well-crafted post on LinkedIn can spark interest and generate leads. Think about it. Social media platforms have billions of users. That's billions of potential buyers or sellers who could stumble upon your post and take an interest in what you're offering. With the right strategies, social media can become a powerful tool in your real estate arsenal. It's all about engagement, interaction, and showcasing the best of what you have to offer. And remember, consistency is key. Regular, relevant, and engaging posts can help you build a strong online presence. As Eklund says, in today's world, if you're not on social media, you're not in the game. The fifth and final takeaway from Eklund's success is the power of positivity. Eklund is a firm believer in the ability of a positive mindset to overcome any obstacle, and it's clear to see how this attitude has propelled him to the top. No matter the challenge, Eklund's optimism has been his steadfast companion, guiding him through the toughest of times. His positive outlook isn't just a mindset, it's a way of life. It's about waking up each day with the belief that anything is possible. It's about embracing the uncertainties of the real estate market and seeing every challenge as an opportunity to grow and learn. This positive energy is infectious. It draws people in. It's a magnet for potential clients, and it's a beacon of hope in a challenging industry. It's this positivity that can help you succeed in the real estate world. Eklund's motto: stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Now that we've explored the 5 key takeaways from Fredrik Eklund's success, it's time to apply these lessons to your own real estate career. No matter where you are in your journey, these principles are your stepping stones to greater heights. Think about dressing for success, not just literally, but also in the way you present yourself to clients. Be authentic, because people resonate with honesty and sincerity. Know your product inside out, because knowledge instills confidence, and confidence is infectious. Don't forget the power of social media. It's not just a platform for sharing cat videos, but a powerful tool for networking and showcasing your listings. Lastly, maintain a positive attitude, because positivity breeds positivity. All these lessons from Eklund's playbook aren't just theories, they are practical strategies that have been proven to work. So apply them, tweak them to suit your style, and watch your career flourish. Remember, as Eklund says, you have the power to sell anything. Now go out there and make your mark in the real estate world.